Hey guys, thank you so much for purchasing this Christmas ornament design. This is instructional video to change the name using Lightburn software. You will only need 4 steps to change the name and prepare the file. First is installing the font. Second, open the file and edit the name. Third, weld the name with the ornament. And the last step is save it as another name. We will install this font, and if you're a Windows user like me, select the font file, right click it, and click install for all users. This one is an open source one. It's free for commercial use, so you can make a final product using this one and sell it without paying any license fee. Now let's pick any file and open it. And here's what it looks like. The black line is for cutting and the green one is for engrave. And to change the name, just double click it and start typing. And when you're done, click this arrow icon here and hold Shift key on your keyboard. Click the ribbon here. Click this Boolean union icon here. As you can see, they are welded properly, and this is what it should look like before you cutting the ornament. At this point, you can start to cut and engrave it, and don't forget to set the power and speed of each setting, the cutout and the engrave. And the last step is saving the file with another name so that you can keep using the original editable files. Click File menu, click Save As, rename it, and click Save. The final file will be located in the same folder with the editable ones. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for purchasing and happy crafting.